some people have wanted an update on this XT250. From what I've gathered, there has to be something either wrong with electrics or the fuel pump, or maybe a clog. Well, there can't be a clog anywhere because I've started it on brake cleaner. I don't know. Basically, the fuel pump, it gives gas to it, sprays out of the injector, but it won't ignite that. And I have fresh fuel in here. I'm reaching the point where I'm just gonna take it to someone else and let them deal with it, because it's a headache and I don't have time for it. Let's go over some things that I've done to this XT250. The first thing I did when I got it was change the battery. The battery was completely dead. Changed the battery. We have power now. You can even hear the fuel pump priming. That was the second thing I did. When I got it, the fuel pump wasn't priming. So I took the fuel pump out. It was all rusted. The whole tank was rusted and disgusting. And I emptied that out. I flushed the tank out, put a new fuel pump in, still wouldn't start. So I knew I had fuel. I knew the battery had power, and I knew I had compression. So then I checked the spark. There was no spark on it. Got a new spark plug. That didn't fix it. Bought a new coil pack. That took a month to get here from Japan. When I took the old coil pack off and put the new coil pack on, I saw that it wasn't making a connection from the boot to the coil. And so I put the new one on, had tons of spark, and now I'm here, where it has spark, has fuel, has compression, and won't start. So there must be some electrical gremlin in it, or the fuel pump isn't producing enough pressure to get to the fuel injector. Even though the fuel comes out of the fuel injector fine. What I think would start it. But it has to be between 42 and 58 PSI, I believe, or 3 to 4.5 bar. And it was at 3, so that's the low end. But yeah, that's what's going on with the XT. Hopefully I can get it started so I can get it out of my garage, because I don't want this bike, I have my WR. That being said, if anyone wants an XT250, it's got a full FMF exhaust. It's got pretty much brand new Dunlop tires on it. Heated grips. Suspension is set up for a 200-pound rider. It's got the rack luggage system through the whole thing, so you can put tank bags, everything on it. All LED lights. Must be something else I'm missing. Oh, it's got upgraded foot pegs that are wider, more comfortable for longer trips. Yeah, it would be a great dual sport if it ran.